This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna onigiri filling. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need a can of tuna, some creamy mayonnaise, and a touch of soy sauce. It's crucial to drain the tuna very well to prevent a watery filling. For the most authentic taste, I highly recommend using Japanese mayonnaise, as its unique tang truly elevates the flavor profile of your onigiri. Now, let's get to mixing. Take your well-drained tuna and place it in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of your chosen mayonnaise. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This adds a wonderful depth of umami to the mixture. Gently combine all these ingredients until you achieve a smooth, creamy, and evenly mixed filling. This ensures every bite of your onigiri is perfectly flavored. Want to take your tuna onigiri filling to the next level? Consider these simple additions. A small pinch of freshly ground black pepper can add a delightful, subtle kick. For a rich, nutty aroma, stir in about a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. And if you love a bit of freshness, finely chopped green onions are a fantastic choice, adding both color and a crisp texture to your delicious filling. Once your tuna onigiri filling is ready, you might have some left over. You can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ensuring it stays fresh. When you're ready to make your onigiri, using chilled filling makes the shaping process much easier. This versatile mixture isn't just for onigiri, it also makes a fantastic and flavorful sandwich spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.